Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Rhea helping you learning math the easy way. So this time we are going to discuss on percentiles of ungrouped data. So what are percentiles? It dividing the sorted values into 100 equal parts, and the percentile of a given sorted values is denoted by the equation P sub k is equal to k times the quantity of n plus 1 divided by 100, wherein the value of k refers to the percentile quantity and n is the number of data in a given set. So, what do I mean by that one? So, for example, you are asked to solve for the 20th percentile, meaning the value of our k is 20. When you are asked to solve for the 50th percentile, meaning the value of k is 50. When you are asked to solve for the 89th percentile, so the value of k is 89. And n refers to the number of data provided. So, let's start. Let's have an example. Find p sub 20 and p sub 85, or the 20th percentile and the 85th percentile for the given set of values 81, 72, 94, 66, 85, 70, and 87. So the first step that you're going to do is try to identify the value of n, and that is by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, meaning n is equal to 7. Next is sort each value in ascending order. Again, ascending order. So when we say ascending order, that is from least to greatest. So since the value of our n is equal to 7, we will try to create a table numbered 1 to 7. So it signifies value number 1, number 2, number 3, up to number 7. Next, arrange now the numbers starting with the lowest value, 66. So again, I'm using the crushing out. Diba? Crush out the data that is already being listed so that you will be able to identify nga, oy, human ako aning. So 66, next is 70, then 72, we have 81, 85, 87, and 94. So before you're going to continue solving, you try to recheck if the numbers are really, or the data are really arranged in ascending order. Next, using the formula for percentile, which is k times the quantity of n plus 1 over 100. Again, same as with the concept of quartile and decile, the value that we will be solving here will help you identify ikapila siya diri nato gamitan. So, since we are asked to solve for the 20th percentile, meaning the value of our k is 20, and since there are 7 data, meaning the value of our n is 7. So, solving that one, this is now equal to 20 times 7 plus 1 is 8, and that is over 100. And 20 times 8 is equal to 160 divided by 100. So, P sub 20, or the 20th percentile, can be located at 1.6 value. Now, the concept of percentile actually is the same as sa decile. We need to interpolate the value. Unlike sa quartile, nga the resulting value is exact. So, we can identify directly from the table, ikapila siya. Now, what do we mean by 1.6? Meaning, 1.6 can be located between 1 and 2. So, which means, we are going to locate or identify the score in value 1 and 2. So, we can now create the equation 20th percentile is equal to first plus 0.6 times the quantity of second minus first. Now, how did we come up with this equation? That is, since our value is 1. Excuse me, 1.6, so meaning it's in between 1 and a first and second value. So that will be, we always start with the first. So for example, na belong siya sa fourth and fifth, you always starts with the fourth. So nag-una. Sa duha ka set, you always starts with the unsay nag-una. So from the table, substituting now the value or the score of the first and the second value. So this is now equal to, the first value is based from the table, 66, plus 0.6 times The second value is 70, so that is 70 minus 66. And 70 minus 66 is 4. So 66 plus 0.6 times 4. And 0.6 times 4, that gives you 2.4. And 66 plus 2.4 is 68.4, meaning our 20th percentile is 68.4. And if you are asked to interpret that one, that will be, so for example, the given score is scores of the students with 100 item test. So in your interpretation, you may say 20% of the students scored below or equal to or below 68.4 or equal to or lesser than 68.4. So that is how are we going to interpret. So actually the interpretation is same Rasha, the way of interpreting quartile and decile. So next, we're done with solving P sub 20th percentile. We now proceed to the 85th percentile. So since a while ago, we were already able to arrange the data, so we now proceed to the substitution in the formula for percentile. Now, since we are asked to solve for the 85th percentile, meaning the value of our k is 85. So this becomes P sub 85 is equal to the value of K 85. The value of N is 7 plus 1 divided by 100. So that is equal to 85 times the quantity of 8. Because 7 plus 1 is equal to 8 divided by 100. And 85 times 100 is 680. 680 divided by 100, that gives you 6.8, which means the 85th percentile falls under the 6.8 value, or that is in between 6 and 7th value. So interpolate now, we have 85th percentile is equal to the 6th percentile. And again, how will you know kung asa imuhang gamiton? Always starts with the first. So 6 plus 0.8, because the decimal value here is 0.8, times the 7th value minus the 6th value. So substituting, 6th value is 87 plus 0.8 times 7th value is 94, 6th value is 87. And 94 minus 87, that gives you 7. So 87 plus 0.8 times 7. And 0.8 times 7, that gives you 5.6. And 87 plus 5.6 is equal to 92.6, which means our 85th percentile is 92.6. So I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel.